Namaskar. I am Sunil Sonone from Tilaknagar Junior College, Dombeli, is presenting you 1.1 icebreakers of an astrologer's day. Icebreakers. Number 1. Discuss with your partner and complete the activity. What are your strengths? Strengths. Why do you feel so? Dream career. Painting and drawing. Can visualize, express. Career opportunities. Commercial artist, cartoonist. Strength number 2. Swimming and climbing. Good health, fitness. Dream and career, professional coach in sports. Strength number 3. Watching birds and animals. Can enjoy natural beauty of birds and animals. Veterinarian, bird and wildlife watcher. Cooking, pleasure in preparing good healthy foods. Dietitian, food safety and standard researcher. Farming, can grow various types of crops. Agricultural research service. Icebreakers number 2. The scene in a local market of a village, town, city is very attractive. People with different occupations sell their wares. Discuss with your partner and the variety of activities at the local market. Scene 1 in local market is selling flowers, selling grocery, selling fruits, vegetables, selling clothes, selling footwears, selling home appliances, selling wooden furnitures, selling electronic gadgets, selling colorful goggles. Seen in the local market 2. Bargaining of customers with the sellers, vendors. Seen in the local market 3. People roaming through the market belonging to the different caste, creeds, religions and regions. Scene 4 in the local market. Noise, hustle and bustle of the commuters, of the suburban people. Scene number 5. Auto rickshaw, handcarts, goods carriers. Seen in the local market. 6. Men, women with their children who are longing for various things to buy from the market. Icebreakers number 3. In a village, town, city, it is a common sight to see an astrologer sitting by the roadside with his professional equipment. Discuss with your partner and list the requirements for his trade. Requirement number 1, parrot, cards, etc. Here we can see in the picture that an astrologer is sitting. Parrot is out of its cage and he is commanding the parrot to pick out card. Equipment number 2, mala, beads, trishul, damru, etc. In the picture we can see that there is trishul and vessel in one hand and damru in the other. Vermilion has been applied on his forehead and mala of beads he has been wear in his neck. Equipment number 3, horoscope, panchang, planet images, zodiac signs, precious stones, etc. In the first picture, it is of beads. Second picture, sign of deity, Om, chakra, and pictures of deity. Number 3, Vedic astrologer is writing prophecy. And number 4, precious gems and jewels. Requirement number 4, school, the carnium, cowrie, vermilion. In the first picture, it is about cowrie. Second is skull, meaning human head, shell of human head, skull of human head. And in the other pictures, there is magic doll, etc. Requirement number 4, lemon, chili, doll, etc. We can see lemon and chilies hanging on the shop doors and house doors. Requirement number 5, peacock feathers, sambal, egg. We can experience this scene in the time of Navratri, as many men and women who tells that their soul has been captured by an avatar and he is controlling their behavior. He is controlling them. Icebreakers number 4. There are certain unreasonable beliefs among people living in our society. Certain common events with superstitions. List such events, discuss the superstitions linked with them and the means of their eradication. A cat passing your path. Means of eradication. Make aware in people that it is nothing but an animal is going somewhere like we go anywhere. Superstition number 2. Hanging a lemon and 7 chilies in shop or house door. Means of its eradication. The odor of chilies and lemon helps to keep away pests and insects. It is a natural pesticide. Superstition number 3. If a mirror breaks, it brings 7 years bad luck. It is said to avoid carelessness when handling the mirror. Superstition number 4. One should take bath after attending any funeral. It is for protecting ourselves from the germs, bacteria and chemicals released by the body. Superstition number 5. Throw coins in holy river. Throw coins in holy rivers. Rivers are the main source of drinking water. In ancient times, the coins were made up of copper. If copper remains for a long time, it became beneficial for those who drink it. Copper helps to kill bacteria that present in water bodies. Thank you for seeing this video.